बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने सबसे पहले ये श्योर करना है कि आपको ये जो न्यू एकेडमिक ब्लॉक है इसमें आना है, जो ऑडिटोरियम के पीछे आएगा। और आपको पार्किंग पहले से ही गार्ड बता देंगे, आपने गाड़ी पार्क करने कहाँ करनी है। गाड़ी पार्क करने के बाद ये जो दूसरी वाली एंट्रेंस है, ये इस चीज़ के ऊपर ये लिखा हुआ है GIK इंस्टीट्यूट वेलकम टू डिग्री अवार्ड सेरेमनी, इसमें आप लोगों ने आना है। और इस वक्त तैयारियां ज़ोरों शोर से फाइनल स्टेजेस के ऊपर हैं, तकरीबन मुकम्मल हैं। तो जैसे ही आप आएंगे, यहाँ बड़े बड़े बोर्ड्स के ऊपर लिखा भी हुआ है, अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपने कहाँ जाना है, अगर आप पेरेंट हैं तो आपने कहाँ जाना है, और किस फैकल्टी के स्टूडेंट्स के पेरेंट हैं उसके हिसाब से, ठीक है। सो सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं, ग्रेजुएट हो या अंडर ग्रेड हो, उन्होंने फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाना है। FME के स्टूडेंट्स के पेरेंट्स ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे ही रहेंगे, उनकी जगह बनी हुई है आगे। FMC के स्टूडेंट्स के पेरेंट्स थर्ड फ्लोर पे जाएंगे, और बाकी इन दो फैकल्टीज़ के अलावा वाले पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो सेकंड फ्लोर पे जाएंगे। सो ये पेरेंट्स का लिखा भी हुआ है, आप एंटर होंगे। सो मैं कंसिडर करता हूँ कि आप स्टूडेंट हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स ने आते ही फ़ौरन जो है वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर के ऊपर निकलना है, ठीक है। सो आपने आते ही इन सीढ़ियों से अपना गाउन पहना होगा और आपने चढ़ते हुए फ़ौरन स्टेयर्स चढ़ते हुए फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे चले जाना। फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे आते दोबारा आपके लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस लिखी हुई हैं। तो सब लोग ज़ोरों शोर से लगे हुए हैं, देख रहे हैं चाचा लगे हुए हैं तैयारी से। सो ये देखें, सबके रूम्स लिखे हुए हैं। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल FME और FEE के स्टूडेंट्स L1 से लेक्चर हॉल 6-1 एंड पे आगे मैं दिखाऊंगा, उसमें जाएंगे। FCSC वाले और FES का C1 C2, FMC का L7 L8, और ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स और मैनेजमेंट साइंसेस के स्टूडेंट्स C4 और C5 रूम में जाएंगे। सो ये सारे रूम्स इधर आर्डर में लगे हुए हैं। सो लेट्स से L8 लेक्चर FMC के लिए, ये FES के स्टूडेंट्स का है। सो अंदर सीटिंग्स होंगी, आप लोगों ने अपनी सीट्स पे अपने रेज नंबर के हिसाब से बैठ जाना है स्टूडेंट्स। सो ये स्टूडेंट्स के रूम्स हैं। इसी तरह ये C2 F1 है, ये CSC वालों के लिए, ये FMC वालों के लिए, ये भी FMC, इसमें MTE वाले, ये FMC लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन ये मटेरियल वाले यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स बैठेंगे। ये FCSC वाले स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ बैठेंगे अपने रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर के हिसाब से। सो आगे हर जगह हमने लिखा भी हुआ है। एमरजेंसी एग्ज़िट भी आपने अपने जहन में रखने हैं, अगर खुदा न खास्ता इमरजेंसी की सूरत में बाहर निकलना पड़े तो किस तरफ जाना। ओके, सो इसके बाद वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स L4, L5, L6. This is for FME, which is on the right side of this corridor, and L1, L2, L3, which is on the left side of this corridor. So these are the rooms designated for FME and FEE. Okay, so if you go towards this is the L6, L5, and the last one for FME. If you want to go to washroom, the washrooms are here at the end, and fire extinguishers and emergency exit is also there. So you have to look for the emergency exit which suits you. So you must have a timetable in front of you which is emailed to you, and if not, even then I can tell you that the convocation hall is on this same floor, the first floor. So if I take you there, where is the convocation hall? So if I go back where I just went up, it was just on the beginning of the stairs when I entered this floor. So I'm quickly going to the place where you have the convocation hall. So the first faculty students which will be receiving their degrees will be graduate students, and graduate students in the beginning have to come in the convocation hall, and this is the convocation hall. So here is the convocation hall. Okay, so these seats will be taken by the graduate students. They will be already available here at 9 AM. So by 9:15 AM they must be there. Okay, and for 1 hour they have to sit there, and at 10:45 they will start their, the convocation will be started here. So this is the room of the convocation. Okay, the other students, for example, the next in the term is FCSC. So FCSC students, with the help of their faculty members, will be queued here. So they will be queued here, and when the graduate students are finished with their degrees, they will start standing here, and they will move towards the seminar reception from the other office. I take you there. So every student will, along with this faculty, will make a queue here, take enter, and after entering he will enter towards the left side. From the left side he will go up and he will move towards the parameter, and from that point he will take the degree, receive his degree without shaking any hands. He is not allowed to shake the hands. He will receive his degree from here, and then he will move towards the right side. So he will make a queue again, and in this queue, along with your faculty member, you will be moving towards the point where you have to receive your souvenirs. So these souvenirs will be available in another room, which is on the, you will keep on moving, and on the left side there is the control room. If you have any problem with the administration, there is all the souvenirs present, and this is the point where you have to receive your souvenir. You will receive your souvenir, and after receiving here the souvenir, at that time you have your degree and souvenir with you. You will keep on moving in the same corridor. So first floor is the playground for you. So you will be keep on moving there, and you will come back to your respective room in a queue with all of your friends, and all the queues will be in the order of your registration number. You must have got your possession order. That order is based on your registration number. So again you will come back into the rooms where you started from, and you will stay there in your room. Try to make no noise, because if all of the students in all the rooms started speaking, there will be a lot of noise in the convocation room. So you have to remain silent so that all the activities in the convocation room can be carried on easily, silently. So this is all with your convocation. So if I just repeat it quickly, you have to sit in your respective room, wait for your time. Every faculty has his own time. Before that time you will make a queue. You will come in a queue in front of the convocation hall. In that convocation hall you will enter towards the left side, take a round and come to on the other side of the rostrum, receive your degree without shaking hands, and come out on the right side again. And carrying on, you have to receive your souvenir and sit back in your same designated room. After all the convocation is finished, then you have to move towards lunch. And if I talk about the lunch, this is the help desk. If you have any problem, you can ask them. Otherwise, there will be a floor manager, there will be a faculty member with you who can always help you. This is the convocation room. So from right side you will be entering, and from left side of the room you will be entering, and after receiving degree you have to move in this direction. Okay, so after that also I want to tell you, Dr. Sahab, control room is on the left side, straight left. Okay, so after that I want to tell you about the lunch movement for the lunch. So all the students, they will be along with their parents. The faculty, the students and parents, they will be taking their lunch together. So for FCSC, if I just show it to you here, I just take the image of this as well. So for FCSC, you have to go to the cafeteria and library, new academic building. For FEE, you have to take your lunch at Central Mess. For FES, the lunch will be at basement of New Academic Block Hall 1. So the basement of where we are standing now. For FMC, it will be on the same basement of New Academic Block, but hall number 3 and main lobby. And for FME, it will be the central mess 306 and 600. For management sciences, it will be the basement of New Academic Block Hall 2. For graduate students, it will be faculty club, and all the faculty members will also be the faculty club. Also, there are VIP guests, faculty lunchroom area is there, convocation stop is there, they have the common room for eating. They will be moving at 1:40, 1:45, and the female students will go to the mess girl hall girls hostel. These timings are just for reference. So if something is delayed during the process, all of respective items will be delayed accordingly. So that's it. I hope it is clear. So remember to follow the SOPs. Don't shake hand with anyone. Keep your mask on. Whenever required, make your hands clean with the sanitizer. Okay. So that's it.